Do you feel lost and confused about your career? Do you want to seek guidance from any professionals on your career planning? Coachiever, a new career coaching program, is here for you to find your own way out. Career coaching is a guided process where the coachee begins to define their goals and career plan with the help of a career coach. Step 1. Sign up and attend Workshop 1 before you can book the first coaching session. Step 2. Book your first coaching session with one of our professional coaches after completion of Workshop 1. Step 3. Attend Workshop 2 before you can book the second coaching session. You are welcome to join the optional workshop if you are interested in it. All full-time students who are in need of tailored guidance and support in defining their career goals, or those who are looking for advice on tackling workplace challenges, are welcome to join. So, what are you waiting for? Join Coachiever, grow together.